Xposed. So aha, Xposed guessing no Ghana and beyond. And then anyway, me catch was a baby be a will be a trip hemi. Na ya interview Black Sheriff baby and ye bisa few questions as a youth. Any ye bisa say Black Sheriff why he say yes sika bounce him. So what is the way forward? Would your own person over talk cars? And also know right now or to talk cars onim the sika car buy amount because car any investment. So obi talk car will be a wabonum cover 8 years. Now after the 1 year sika now after all show off whatever he has. Or industry how many years in 1 year? And you feel no over show luxury. No or sha ebisa ni bio na ebisa ni say na Black Sheriff then will plans no say right now the plans are say obe work hard and try to invest into the music now because and no and very important man right now ono so no hwehwe mu a you say bisa the question me say Black Sheriff na denti and our boss e no na a friend on Kolongo zongo no and what you say Oshemu a send what buy a what back hit e was street and also prekopeno. Then he thinks say yes, he's a motivation to the street. People in the street like the vibe of him because some kofono mo zongo ni street in mono. Yeah, all the lives of Abu Swami magazine, Oba Kra Nima Mamobi Abekan Fadama. All these boys are almost free the homes of hustle. Omomutumu said they have to hustle. It is not, they did not get life on a silver platter. Yes, when he sing a song, not about out. Come on, he is a motivation to all of these people. And honestly, Obeka, we are very young. This year, next year, Obenya 21 years, and he has a lot of things to do. Right now, no, they are not. He's not going to invest into luxury. He's going to invest into his career and make sure sending music so ye. For video.
The bit me I reinvest in it. Who said right now so people say me rich, me can't say me rich. Because I still see myself as that young boy in Drew baby just by a crack 2 years ago making my music. The money I they make me talkers near they earn 5 man. So I have money to reinvest in my videos, the promote my music, because I believe that's the only way forward.
What I talkers I can see, and how the audio so on.
I mean, do time I was in talkers I can see. I mean, in the way I'm right now.
That's almost say the feeling, the way to go.
The feeling.
They say, Mama, star. You say, big car, big house.
And we will be our shall see making money. You'll be over some 8 years at the person or Toby be congratulating me. Yeah, that's why I believe. Because me at 20, level 100 for higher university.
You're 20 years old?
Yeah, I'm 20.
Should we believe that?
Yeah.
Yeah, what time?
2002, 9th January.
In Tiafin, I'll be 21.
Yeah, me call SHS 2016, we 2019, 17.
Hey, not just a man know.
Yeah.
I see. 9th January next year, maybe 21.
Yeah, maybe 21, 9 January.
What's the plan?
Me still young, I'm one energy near there. So we work hard more. Yeah, going harder. That's a number for catching me every day. Because I say, me nya didn't say yeah forever. Yeah.
When you're honey you forever.
Yeah, I see me nya 20 years, 21 and years. So I go reach for what I say. So as me energetic, vibrant right now, they may add more pressure into it.
Oh, and you'll be a friend of Konongo Zongo, and then I'm a boss animal.
Konongo Zongo, like. And on me per se, like sending love to man for you need to send me, you know. Man for me grow up, baby, I mean, make sure I'm like how real and not perfect I am. See, yeah, it gets like that. My mom to say life right here to say me dear no, cause I won't lie to you, man for I inspire man for baby or more zongo. Yeah, and all around the world. That's what I say. To me, more who how not 100% I'm in life here. I'm not perfect. Me face these talkings. Man for can say chem. But the MMA any. So I'm just sending that message across. Yeah, you can. Yeah, man.
And the ebusiafo wa wasom a na Black Sheriff etwe so ono de obe invest na utumu say presenter no person na ase boy ni age because o hwe Black Sheriff stage na o catch also oyobi a next year obenya 21 na so all that because why TikTok prekope ni mo you drew and he doesn't look the age na all mentioning it. He was like, should we believe you? Utumu say ase e say yet to sneak. I don't say, oh come on, I am say what I shall say. I just entered into SHS 2016 and we around 2019. A 100 year, and one I what's my account. Now, Mr. Tommy Simpson said, oh, a young boy and I was so and a old bobra. Only me fear who free. Sometimes Black Sheriff are casting, they be autonomous any idea motivation. So I ask them now what's in a station and so kind. I think the youth also have to learn that. Especially I'm going for the boys who are hustling on the street. But now walk across circle where to turn their Madina, more tone phones, more game boys, even fraud boys, more do much betting. Like you shouldn't get money and try to come to the street to impress people. Because at the end of the day, who broke here, and I will go broker. When you wow and I'll bet you pain, nobody will be there. Try and invest your money. Try and make sure so whatever you are doing, a pay investment at the amount because you nice get per Black Sheriff. And the new way so in summer with TV station so and our radio station so a kind any future and from our youth you understand the fact that we are making on the street we shouldn't make money and try to impress people because the future is what really what matters. Me did you make a bro within the limo elegant Kwame Amega ube to me aframe effocant aha a Xposed I make catch say you make so much in the program a bro within the Neat roofing say free and there echo see December and na bronya no or ye promotion wo ye ni na etrese obeba be jisika and na obema the contract obepo wo dan so e de amount na so one che workmanship na me pouch or edme nine kotodwe edufo na me sada me say petrol say subscribe e wo ye channel hano na ye de videos bi ato a on sabe den ebeka every trending news and issues are echoes yedi bi bebro na me paucho wa share no bi so side akemi seven dey make maka chon say west no it is coming from a young boy I am for a new photo to all the youth being a lady or a man if I photo and try to whatever we are gaining in life try to invest it because ochina anadache eni enkaso na aha and do besi na me catch say that send e be say share bye bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent swimming, and then the one for me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in fraud of it. Abraham see the area. Let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Confirm neat roofing system for no matter what so my and I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa. I'm about dying to a share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from what, Tinchnaching, as I said, one and a sound boy a dance from my end. Or Uti, Unim says, can't wire thing, and I will yard the answer. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye. And Unti, and I'm a share will say, Confirm neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumai. Achia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, red cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka Hondia, any not on Safre, neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa.
And it just some neat roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion change pan or diaba. Say, if it's Sabre, Equisi say, you better bronya bury no. Open neat roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. I can't dear out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Nay, do a chi aqua down swama free. I won't tiare.
As I might cast an impatem, neat roofing system for Abbey among Krabatani Bio, Parker so Proto Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in the Dimshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, for neat roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.
Hello, Bonada.